Hello, I'm Lydia from Luck and Lash, and today I would like to talk about kinetics base coats and top coats and what is the difference between them. As all companies, kinetics, they have rubber base, but in this brand, rubber base is HEMA-free. That means that it will not cause any kind of allergies or eczema or other skin diseases. Plus, they have light base. Light base, as you know, is used for pedicure or as a layer between natural nail and extension. It is little bit liquidish, so you can use it in any case when you don't need extra thickness. Plus, kinetics, they produce something new to all of us. This is base coat, which does not require UV LED dryer. So it is air dry base coat. Actually, this base coat will allow you to save at least 20 minutes of your working time. This base is very liquidish, almost like water, and it does not require UV LED dryer. Hopefully this information was useful for you. You can contact us by the number written under the video.